Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Eurocar Upgrades. In front of us, we have a beautiful 2017 Volkswagen Golf. A gentleman wanted to upgrade his MIB unit from a 6.5-inch screen to an 8-inch screen. Now, this also required us to upgrade the surrounding fascia. This did require coating and about a couple hours of install time, but it ends up being a pretty beautiful upgrade. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are inside the Golf. In front of us there's the old display unit, and here's the newly fresh installed 8-inch screen with the surrounding satin black fascia. I'll just go through a couple of these functions here so you guys can see everything. Now, this upgrade is available for Volkswagen Golfs 2015 to 16 up until 2018. If you guys have any questions concerning these type of upgrades, please feel free to reach out to us at Eurocar Upgrades. We are happy to help answer any questions. Thank you for watching today, and we'll see you next time.